Great for meal prep or taking salad dressing, hot sauce, and other condiments on the go. Wide mouth and stable base for easy filling. No drip pour spout accommodates thin oils and thick dressing. Twist off, leak-proof cap is easy to grip and open, even when hands are wet or oily. 2.3 ounce capacity, set contains 2 bottles. Flips inside out for easy cleaning, dishwasher safe. Ensure cap is threaded properly and closed tightly for a secure seal. These OXO Good Grips Prep and Go Squeeze bottles let you pack salad dressing, mayo, hot sauce, and other condiments separately, so that your salads stay crisp and your sandwiches don't get soggy. Each bottle has a wide mouth and a stable base, which makes for fuss-free filling. The leak-proof lid ensures the safety of the items in your bag, and the no-drip pour spout means no errant drops on your laptop or important work papers. The lid twists off easily, too, even if your hands are wet or oily. When it's time for cleaning, just flip the soft silicone bottle inside out and give it a rinse. Also great for travel shampoo and conditioner. Set of 2, each holds 2.3 ounces. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for kids' lunch. I love these divided containers for my kids' Pottery Barn kids' lunch boxes. They fit either a half or whole sandwich on brownberry/Arnold bread and 2 sides. They also squish perfectly into the lunchbox with enough room on top to fit an ice pack and 2 to 3 Ziploc or prepackaged snacks. I haven't put super liquidy things in it, but fruit like watermelon and honeydew are completely fine. My son used these in kindergarten with no issues in getting the lids off. The only minor issue we had was part of the plastic lid breaking off when dropped on our hard floor, but it's still usable. Overall, I love these.